Hello and welcome on in this Friday. Always nice to have you join us at 5:30. I'm Donna Kelley. The Gallatin City-County Health Officer signed a document today lifting his emergency rule about wearing face coverings in most areas effective immediately. But businesses can still keep up their own rules. MTN's Cody Boyer breaks it down for us and spoke with the health officer minutes before his pen hit the paper.
It's a moment many of us have been waiting for since the beginning of the pandemic, the mask mandates, all of the above. When the CDC said those who are fully vaccinated can, well, ditch their masks. Now that's the feeling that's felt according to health departments across the country in most states. Here in Gallatin County, same is felt, but according to the health officer, even when you're just coming back to work, for example, few things to keep in mind.
I'm planning to sign a document later on today rescinding a health officer order related to face coverings.
Health Officer Matt Kelley says while the Gallatin City-County Board of Health's face covering order lasts until May 27th, there will no longer be enforcement of it based on the CDC and several key factors.
For quite some time, we've had enough vaccine and resources to dispense that vaccine, and the hospital is able to deal with people who need care, whether that's COVID or not non-COVID.
But Kelley says there is salt to his signature.
This does not mean the pandemic is over. It does not give anyone the right to ignore policies and rules put in place by businesses and other organizations.
And facilities like Bozeman Health still must follow the other continuing CDC guidelines.
The CDC recommendations at this time are to continue to wear face coverings at all of our care sites. And this is because we cannot track those who are immunized and those who are not.
Now, as I mentioned, Kelley tells me that the signing off of the face covering rules here in Gallatin County is based on a range of data, all showing different downward trends of COVID-19 here in the community. Now, according to Kelley, the county continues to see a reduction of cases per 100,000 people, down about 20% from last week to about 13.5 people per 100,000. Put that to perspective. The Board of Health's threshold that they've established has been 25 cases per 100,000. Also, Kelley adds the case positivity rate is trending down, a full percentage point from last week to 6.8. Now, he adds the health department hopes to bring that number below 5%, but nearly 2 weeks of a downward trend is a positive sign. Now, that's a lot of numbers to all take in at once. You can find them all in one place on our website, kbzkkxlf.com. And of course, you'll see that updated throughout the time as Kelley releases more of this documentation that he is signing or has signed as of earlier this afternoon. In Bozeman, Cody Boyer, MTN News.
Thank you, Cody. And you will see students on Montana campuses without a mask as the Montana University system adjusts to new COVID-19 guidelines effective immediately. Commissioner of Higher Education Clayton Christian says in a release today, following health officials' guidance, campuses will no longer require face coverings. There will be continued access to COVID-19 testing and spaces for quarantine and isolation if necessary. International travel will be on a review process and look at countries involved. Local public health will be involved before hosting a big event. And the commissioner also says that campuses will continue to stress the importance of vaccines.